In this quick video, we're going to go and stake some PYTH. Now, this is PYTH Network, their actual Twitter, and here's their link tree. But before we dive into that, let me just show you why we would stake PYTH. Other than, of course, governance, which we'll get into, there is this airdrop speculation that people that are staking PYTH may qualify. So this is a speculation post, but we'll go through it quickly. I'm not sure who this person is. However, I did notice that Gumshoe had posted something. Once again, just speculation, and I've heard of others talk about it as well. Basically, the potential is $5,000. The cost, $25,000. This is just bull market figures. Of course, the main point with staking is to try and shape a protocol in the way you want by using it as a governance factor. But nevertheless, this is why you're here, airdrop potential. So he got this information from Philanthrope, and we go over what PYTH is. I've covered this before. It's an Oracle service. It's fantastic. Celestia stakers have received 5+ airdrops. Next up, PYTH stakers. So you need a Phantom wallet, which is great because that's what we have on this channel. And then you need to buy and withdraw Sol, which I've covered many times. One thing is, don't go and grab PYTH at Radium. Instead, you can grab it from dupe.ag, or you can go to phoenix.trade, and I just did a tutorial on that as well. So go watch that. And then we go and we stake it. And then potential from PYTH stakers could get Zeta Markets, Drift, Margin, Monad, and I don't know what Sega is, but this here as well. A reason why this could work out is because people that had used PYTH in these platforms got some of the PYTH airdrops, so it could be a two-way street. And then the speculation is airdrops for PYTH stakers will be based on the amount of stake tokens and then the staking period. There'll be one other thing, and we'll go over that as well. So we jump into the link tree, and we've got all the details here, and this is what we want: staking governance. My wallet's already connected. Of course, yours will not be. I have a tutorial wallet. I've already bought the PYTH. Very, very easy to do. And then all we need to do is just go and stake it. I currently have 1,475 staked tokens. So this wallet already has some staked. So for this, I'm going to use a different wallet so we can go through everything. I'll use my DeFi wallet, and we'll grab this PYTH here, and we'll send it into that DeFi wallet, and we'll go max. Now, one thing you can do if you like, if you plan on doing quite a bit of governance, is having a governance wallet. So just a separate wallet, like I've got wallets for all these different things. One could be just the wallet that you use, and it may be your DeFi wallet, but it'll be where you do all of your governance stuff. So wherever you want to hold onto a token, such as a JTO token, or PYTH, or future ones, and you want to actually try and shape those protocols, have a dedicated wallet. So at this point here, we've got staking, and all we need to do is either put in the amount we want to do, or max, or just type it in like that. We'll go max, and we can click stake, and it does take a little bit of Sol to create this account. So 0.03 Sol, well 0.1 is about $10, so 0.38, it's about $3.80 at the moment. So it's a decent kind of amount, but that's not a bad thing. In some ways, it kind of keeps people from just opening a whole lot of wallets and then, staking 5 PYTH or something like that. So we've gone ahead and we've staked it like this. And now all we need to do is we have to wait until the epoch ends. So epoch starts every Thursday at midnight UTC and lasts 7 days. And we're not eligible, we won't be eligible until next Thursday. And all this token allows you to do is participate in PYTH network governance. There are no staking rewards, and if they come in the future, it will be because the DAO or the community has basically said it should be a thing. So from here, we will click on governance. This takes us across to realms. So we'll connect our wallet here, and we'll connect, and we can see there are 10 proposals. Now I can't vote on any of these things because this is a brand new wallet. Plus, at the same time, all of these have been completed, and this one was defeated. So start rewarded PYTH staking. I have a feeling whoever actually suggested this didn't put in enough attention to even have it grammatically correct. Nevertheless, it has ended, the proposal has ended, and it needed a lot more to actually go through. There were quite a few yes votes, very few no votes, but it needed a huge amount. So one of the reasons why I said I don't think it's just going to be these two things, staking period and amount of stake tokens, I think it would also relate to, are you actually engaging in governance? If you're just putting in your PYTH and being like, all right, I've done it, all good, there you are, then great. But you're not necessarily helping the protocol. And at present, there's nothing that we can vote on. So no new proposal. We won't go over creating a proposal. if you had enough governance power, you would first normally go to Discord, kind of float the idea past people, get a little bit of interaction there before you'd come here. It's just a smarter idea than going straight on to something like this. Now, when there are governance proposals, I will cover it regularly, just in my daily videos, in my ecosystem news videos, but there's nothing here at the moment. So we've basically done everything that we needed to do with this. We can just go back now to the staking field, and we can see it's staked here. Now we could unstake these, of course, if we had them already locked in here for at least one epoch. And let me see if this other wallet does qualify. So this wallet qualifies. So if I wanted to, I could go ahead and I could unstake some of these like this. Now I don't actually want to unstake any really, so I'll just unstake 10. So click unstake here, and then there's no changes, because what's going to happen is we'll confirm, and then this will take one epoch. So right now it's Friday. So my understanding is this would have to end this epoch, and then potentially another one would have to end, because it says after a cooldown period of one epoch, once the current epoch ends. So potentially I could have access to this in about 13 days, and then I could go ahead and I would be able to click on withdraw and type in my 10 and then withdraw it. So that's staking with PYTH. Now immediately, I'm pretty sure you're more focused on the fact that you may get more airdrops from other protocols, which is a completely understandable thing. If you're going to get free money, as we like to call it, then go for it. But just remember, while you're here, you're trying to build and shape a protocol, even though you're not a dev or on the team. You want to vote for these protocols and improve them so that they do become the replacement to the legacy system. And then of course, the value of your PYTH token would go up, which is what you want, but at the same time, you want to just make this a successful endeavor. So focus on that for now, and if you grab some airdrops along the way, fantastic, it's a win-win. So to end off the actionable here, and it's not financial advice, but go and get some PYTH, maybe 1,000 or less if you can't afford it, 1,000 PYTH, and go and stake it. And then make sure you're subscribed and watching my channel so we can talk about the governance aspects, and you can try and get all the information before you vote yes or no. If you stake and then don't vote, it's a little bit useless. That's all. Stay curious, and we'll catch you in the next video.